on the bell. Once the bell is clicked, you will get all notifications. Thank you. Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious Reshmi Kebab, and I'm going to make it in my oven. I'm going to share with you the secrets how to make it juicy, moist, tender Reshmi Kebab. The meat I'm going to use, 2 pound, it's a boneless, skinless thigh meat. Garlic powder, ginger powder, parsley flake, salt, black pepper, lemon juice, 1 teaspoon heat, mint, half teaspoon, ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon. To make our Reshmi Kebab delicious, I'm going to use Philadelphia cream cheese. Unsalted butter for coating, that's going to bring the richness to our Reshmi Kebab. If you are health conscious, please skip this part and let's get started. Get a mixing bowl. I'll bring the dry ingredients into mixing bowl. Garlic powder, ginger powder, parsley flakes, salt, mint, black pepper, ground nutmeg, and we're going to mix them. Now we're going to bring lemon juice and Philadelphia cheese, cream cheese. That's going to bring richness to our Reshmi Kebab. 2, 3, and I'm going to use 4 tablespoons. You can add more or less, that won't be any issue. The more you add, it will give a more nice coating to our Reshmi Kebab. So we're going to mix all the spices with the cream cheese real nicely. So mix it well. And this is going to be our marination. Make sure that your cream cheese is at a room temperature. It's still, I took it out of the fridge and it's still kind of hard. But as soon as it's going to get it to the room temperature, it's going to be nice and creamy, just like this. See, it's looking nice. Once it's nicely mixed, I'll bring the chicken meat into our mixture. With the help of spatula, I'm going to mix them well. You can mix it with the hand, it's a personal choice. If you want to mix it with the hand, that is not a bad idea. So we're going to make sure that it's nicely coated onto each pieces. As you see, it's nicely marinated. And now we're going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. The longer the better. If you do it overnight, that will be perfect. But 2 hours is good. I'll get the plastic wrap. I'll place it on it. And we'll put it in fridge for 2 hours. We have a marinated chicken for 2 hours. So I just took it out of the fridge. Mix it one more time. This is perfect. I'm going to use the metal squares. This is nice big size pieces. And we're going to poke through. This is the good size pieces. This is how it's gonna look. Perfect. I'm going to finish up doing the same way. And I have my oven preheated at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This is my top tray. The bottom tray I filled with hot water. It's steaming hot. We're going to cook over the steam. I'm going to use a pair of tongs, something to make my own thing. When I'm going to place the Reshmi Kebab, they're not going to touch the tray. They're going to stay on the top. So I'm going to finish up doing the same way. I will put it one here, just like that. This is the last one. I'm all done. We got 4 skewers ready, and this is the way it's gonna look. And now we'll take this one to our oven. So if we look at our water is boiling hot. So be careful when you open it. I'm going to place Reshmi Kebab on top of the tray. And be careful, don't burn yourself. When you're putting in, you have to be very careful. And now we're going to leave it in there for 25 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll take it out. Then we're going to do the butter coating, and then we'll do it additional 10 minutes. It's exactly 15 minutes cooking at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to open it. Wow, look at these. I'll bring the tray out. As you can see, the water is still steaming in the air. And this is really important. We have to do it real quick. The butter is melted. I'm going to put butter on it. And once we're going to put the butter, that's going to bring the richness to our Reshmi Kabab. Wow, look at this. And once we put the butter, I'm going to bring this one and we're going to turn the skewers like this on other side. So that way we get nice crunchy texture on the other side as well. And also we're going to put the butter on this side as well. So we're going to do the coating also on this side. Another 10 minutes, it will be nicely done. Wow, this is looking already delicious. Perfect. I'm going to push the tray slowly. It's still filled with the water. And we're going to give 10 more minutes. This is how it looks exactly after 25 minutes. I'm going to make it a little more crunchy. So I'm going to keep it 5 more minutes. Then I'm going to turn up the oven. We're going to let it rest for 5 minutes so it can cool down. Then we'll take it out. So depending on your oven, it can take 25 minutes or it can take 30 minutes. It took us exactly 30 minutes and our Reshmi kebabs are ready. After turning off the oven, I let it sit for another 5 minutes. So now it's cooled down. Look at this. It's so delicious. So I'm going to take out all the kebabs. And before serving, apply some more butter. Looking perfect. Our tasty and delicious Reshmi kebab is ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. It's a super delicious. It's a super yum. This is one of the best appetizer you can enjoy during your party time. Please comment below how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.